I'm going to be unboxing this video making kit, and I actually wish I found this when I started my content creation journey. I'm going to be showing what's inside. So this is how it looks like. It comes with an LED light, flexible tripod, and also the phone holder and a microphone. So basically all you need to start your content creation journey. So I'm going to be reviewing each and every item. I'm going to start with this tripod here. Let me screw this thing and show it to you. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. So this is how it looks like, and you can fix your phone horizontally or vertically. Also, you can fix this thing, fix it like this as well, so it's flexible. You can fix it through the screw here or the bottom screw. I think the bottom screw is perfect for sit down vlogs, so you can place it on the table. So that's it for the tripod. It's sturdy, I like it. You can put it at any angle, which is a good thing for a tripod. And if it's too low, you can place it on any box or any platform and it will stand. Next, we're going to review the LED light. And one good thing about this LED light is that you can either mount it on, oh wait, let me put the battery so that I will show you. It does not come with its own battery, so I'm going to put a battery in it. Yep, and then it turns on. It has 3 different settings. 1, 2, 3. So this is how bright it is. Mount it on your phone or on your camera using this hot shoe. So this is how you mount it on your camera. It's perfect for vlogging because it's lightweight and you can move it. Like, it's not heavy on the hand, so you can hold it while vlogging. So first I'm going to mount the phone, and then I'm going to mount the LED. So this is how you mount the LED, like this. So this is the video without the light. So let me turn on the light now. So this is the light at the highest setting, and this is how it looks like. I know that it doesn't make much of a difference, but that's because I have a big window and it's daytime. So maybe when it's night, you would see the true effect of the light. So I'm going to a dark place now so that you can see the true effect. So this is the visuals without the lights, and now this is the visuals with the light. So you can see that the light is super useful if you're vlogging. Now obviously this phone is quite old, so the quality is not that great. Again, this is it without the light, and this is it with the light. Now you can have a better vlogging experience. So next, I'm going to test out this microphone and see how it actually sounds. I'm not really expecting much from it, considering how incredibly affordable this thing is. It costs, you can get it for less than 15 euros on Amazon. So for the final touch, we have to mount the microphone. Let me see if I can tighten it up so it doesn't fall off. Oh, if you tighten it up, it doesn't fall off. So the other part, so we're going to plug it here. Okay, so this is how the setup looks like. The best way to test this out is to also try it out without the microphone. So I'm also going to make a video without the microphone so that you're going to see the difference. So testing, this is without the microphone, and this is how I sound. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So testing microphone. This is how the microphone actually sounds. I don't know, I would listen to it. Okay, so based on what I've seen and watched, I think the best thing about this is the light, the tripod, and the phone holder, because this is sturdy and this is bright enough for its size and the price. However, for the microphone, I don't notice much of a difference, although I see that without the microphone there is a bit of an echo, but then with the microphone the volume is lower. So I don't know, I don't think this microphone is the least favorite thing about this whole setup. But if you're just starting content creation, I think you should get this, but then don't use the microphone. You can get this Boya lavalier microphone. It's the best affordable quality microphone you can get in this day and age. Honestly, ask anybody around. I feel like the only reason people are no longer buying this that much is because of the wires. Like, everyone is switching to wireless. But other than that, the quality is great. It's versatile. You can use it with your phone and with your camera. It's affordable. I got this for €5, but it was on sales. So without sales, it could be like €20 or €15 if you're lucky enough. But I think the most you would pay, the highest you pay, especially now that people are no longer buying wired microphones, the highest you pay would be €20. That's like the most you should pay for this. And the quality is great. It scripts, it's clear, and you don't have to charge it. You don't have to be scared that the battery is low. All you need to do is change the battery every once in a month or twice in a month. So you can get this if you're a beginner, and then switch it out with this one, because this is not I don't recommend this, and you'll be good. So yeah, that's my review for this video kit. So I have other tech reviews like this, and if you're a beginner just starting your content creation journey, I have several video editing tutorials, especially for free video editors, that you can use, and I have more videos like this coming your way. So click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.